The door locks. You know, the infamous Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, all of them, the door locks, the switches. Okay. We got all the doors apart, now it's time to fix them. Go over there, Tasha, and flip that switch. Keep the door open when you do it. I got my oldest out here. Flip that switch. See, they work good. Hear them? Okay. Now hold the door open there. This one don't work so good. I figured out why. We got down here where the grommet comes through the doorway, and this is a common issue, guys. I don't know if you can see the piggyback. God bless you, buddy-o.
Thank you.
You can see that broken end there? Okay, that's an orange and white wire. Well, that's an orange and white wire. We just fished a new wire through. We haven't insulated it yet. We just fished a heavier wire through that door grommet. It's right there. And we're going to plug it in to its existing wire in the wiring loom here. Okay? So let me do that, and we'll be right back. Alright folks, we got our wire tape back up. It's the orange and white wire. This is a 96 Cherokee. And the only door lock that didn't work was the master on the driver's door here. Okay? And it's that wire there, that orange and white wire. We got it chased down. It broke in the door loom, like I showed you. We ran a bigger, thicker cable through the door loom to the original existing harness down here. Soldered. Got it well insulated. Same thing up here, and we works. It works beautifully. So there we go. All we had to do is tidy bowl, put it all back together, and we's done with that. So today we did that, so the door stays open, and we fixed the whole problem with the electric door locks, and we still have a broken seat. White fright is still in sight, and we're gonna fix it. No problem. Okay, I got your cup holder for you. Wow, isn't that good? I don't think so, and I think it's got about $400 worth of receipts down in the bottom and some kind of janky, I don't know what. All right, there's your laugh for the day. Anyway, we did fix it, and it works good. Nice. Let's find out if the windows roll up and down, buddy-o. Starting or running. Okay, let's see if we are windowy.
Yep.
That one rolls up and down just fine.
Yep.
Okay, I can't roll that one up and down yet because we have replaced the glass in it. Here's the front one. Driver's window. It rolls up and down beautifully. Okay, here's the rear window. Nice. Rolls up and down really good. Alright. Looks like everything on the master door switch works. And I didn't mess around when I used wire. I used, well, we had this wire, and I used almost stupid battery cable on it. So that ought to help. Alright folks, till next time. It's been another episode of Project White Fright. Take it easy, love y'all. Bye-bye.